All right, time to take a look at the Honeycomb blinds. Okay, so this is the 46 by 48 inch. This is white, and this is the Blackout version. So it says first step is install the blinds, second step is to cut off this paper. So this is going to hold everything secure while you're getting it installed. And then this is the hardware. So these are the angle brackets. They're just simple quick release, which I really like. So less screws, more easy. And then we got a couple screws and a couple anchors. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to line this up with the window. So we want this thing to be straight, parallel in and out. You can have it really as far in and out as you want it. You want to have it kind of favoring the outside just so it's better balanced. But toward the window, you want to be consistent on both sides. So I'm going to find where that sits, and I'm going to drill a hole for that slot. This one sits basically right up against the window. So I'm going to put it maybe just like an eighth of an inch away from that, just so it doesn't rub on the window. So I'm going to put it there, but then I'm going to drill a hole favoring toward me on that slot. So that way it's got a little bit of wiggle room. Yeah, we'll do the same thing over here. Then I got some drywall here, so I'm going to use some longer screws. I'm basically just reusing the screws that came out. Okay. Cool. So with this, all I'm going to do, clip it into the outside and snap it in. Yeah, pretty easy. Cool. That is nice. Wow. Yeah, I like that. So this is a Blackout, and the main reason that I wanted to go with this one as opposed to the other one was because with the blinds open, since I'm on an upper floor, if it was pointing down, people could look in and they could see what I'm doing. And if they're pointing up, then when the sun's going overhead, it'll actually be pointing into the room and going right into my eyes when I'm trying to work. So with this, I don't have to worry about that anymore. That is very cool. And if you want to, you can use this little clip. It'll literally just snap onto the bottom. Then you got something you can pull on. You don't have to use that, it's just an option. Cool. Yeah, that is very nice. And that is so much nicer. Like if we look at this room, in comparison, all night and day. So very cool.